Hi, this video is about how to create a niche on the wall. Let's go into Customize Ceiling module. Click on the wall, background wall design. Then click on the white region and draw the shape of the niche. Let's say it's a rectangle. Draw the rectangle first, then you may change the size here on the right. And edit the distance by clicking on the number. Next, click on the initial wall region. Change the extrude distance to, let's say, 300. That would be the depth of the niche. I'll change the niche region to 2, but it's optional, you can leave it to 10. You may also add in the shelves. Just click the niche region and draw another rectangle. Change the size to 30 as the shelf thickness. And adjust the inner distance. Extrude the shaft to 298, which is the 300 minus 2. Or you may leave some gap at the front, so I put 280. To copy another shelf, you can right click and select Pave, Continuous Pave. Drag the pave direction and type in the pave distance, let's say 250, or we make it bigger, 350. Click again to confirm, and we are done. Let's go back to 3D, and you may continue to pave the tiles onto the wall. Alternatively, you may search for niche in our cloud library, drag out and put on the wall. You may then edit the size and location as how you edit a window. Alright, happy trying. Bye.